everybody. I am looking forward to seeing you at Michigan RIA on Saturday, June the 22nd. I'm going to be doing an all-day event for Wendy at this event. And in the morning, we are going to be covering all kinds of very targeted marketing techniques to help you to find all the motivated sellers you could possibly need for your real estate investing business. Then we're going to take a short break for lunch, and after lunch, we are going to be covering a technique that nobody out there covers. And what I'm going to be covering is how to buy, sell, lease, and hold vacant land for long and short-term profits. This is an awesome way for you to build an additional stream of income for your real estate investing business. I don't do these events very often. I am looking forward to it. We will see you at 9 o'clock in the morning. It ends at 4 in the afternoon. We will have a little lunch break in there for you to give you a little bit of a break. So make sure you get registered because seats are getting filled very, very quickly. And I'm looking forward to seeing everybody on Saturday, June 22nd at 9 a.m. See you there.